Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove followers on Twitter. First of all, you can open the Twitter or X application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, you can tap on profile, and here you can see the option following or followers that is below the joint account date, and you can just simply tap on it, and after this you can now tap on followers at the top middle of the screen, and here you can see your followers. Here my followers is not showing because no one is followed me, and you can just simply select the people that you unfollowed, and you can see the three dots next to their name. You can just simply tap on it, and after tapping on this you can see different options. You can just simply tap on remove this follower, and it is the way you can remove followers on Twitter or X. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.